Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Toast employee account online on your PC. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Toast employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address payroll.toasttab.com like this and hit on enter. Or you can just simply search for Toast employee login like this and hit on enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see there is the payroll.toasttab.com, which is the employee login page for the Toast. Click over there and you can see guys, both of these pages are same. One was from the Google search result and one was from the direct web address. Since both of these pages are same, suppose one of these. Now in order to log into your Toast employee account from over here, you'll be required to enter your company code which your company had given you at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your email address or your username which you had also registered on your company at the time of creating your account. And after entering your company code and your email address, but if you don't remember your company code or you have trouble logging in, you can simply click on the don't remember your company code option available over here. If you click on this button, you will be taken to a procedure where you can retrieve your company code. That being said, and if you have still getting problems to log into your Toast employee account, simply click on the trouble login in button and you'll be taken to a procedure where you can solve your further problems. With that being said guys, after entering your company code and your email address, simply click on next, and on the next step you will be shown a place where you will be required to enter your password. And after you enter your password, you will be able to log into your Toast employee account from over here. And there guys, this is how you log into your Toast employee account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.